everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be starting a new series. So this is just one craft, but it's a very big craft and it will require me for making many parts of the video, because if I combine all of the videos in one video then it will be around 2 hours long. So I don't want that. Let's take it slowly. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a game book, and my book name is Rainbow Game Book. So inside this we are going to make in every video 1 or 2 pages. For example, here will be tic-tac-toe and here will be dots and boxes, paper games, and it will be very fun to play. Whenever you want to play, you can just open and see a variety of games here. So today we will just be doing the front cover and we will be making the base. So now without any further delay, let's get started. Materials required for this craft are colored paper, a pair of scissors, glue. I am using Fevi-stick, but you can use any other glue as well, A4 size sheets, and any kind of colors of your choice. So first of all, we will take a A4 size sheet and fold it in half. And now I will be taking a few more pages of A4 size sheet and fold it like this. As we have 8 games, we will require 4 A4 size sheets. Once we have all of these sheets folded, we folded one more sheet here and we are going to insert those sheets inside this one. And then with the help of a stapler, I am going to staple 3 pins here. And now is the fun part. We get to decorate the cover. So you can decorate it as you want, or you can just write game book if you don't want to do a lot of decoration. But I personally love to decorate. So I'm first going to write Rainbow Game Book, because I am choosing the theme of rainbow in this whole game book. So that's what I'm going to write. So here I have finished writing the base. Now I'll be taking my glitter pen and I will add this kind of highlights onto the letters. Finished writing Rainbow Game Book, and now I'll start decorating the outer cover. You have subscribed to my channel and have turned on the notification bell, along with liking this video and sharing it with your friends. I think this is looking a little plain, so I am going to take my ruler and this color and I am going to make lines. And now the second last step is I am going to add dots here and there in rainbow color. Finally, the last step I'm going to do is I'm going to add a few hearts inside this and hearts here. And here we have it. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. I'll meet you in my next one. Till then, take care and bye-bye. Wow, aeroplane. Of the explanatory. Oops. This. Stop it. Okay, cut this off.